Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your hard hat sit lower. To begin, carefully examine your hard hat's internal suspension system. Most modern hard hats come equipped with either a 4-point or 6-point suspension, designed for adjustability. Your first step is to locate the various adjustment points on these suspension straps, as these are key to achieving a lower, more secure fit. Now, let's focus on the crown straps, which are the straps extending from the top of the suspension down to the headband. To lower your hard hat, you'll need to shorten these crown straps. Make sure to adjust them evenly on all sides to maintain balance and comfort. An even adjustment is crucial for both safety and preventing the hat from shifting or wobbling while you work. Next, address the nape strap, located at the back of your head. Gently tighten this strap to secure the hard hat firmly in place, preventing it from tipping forward. Then, adjust the headband's circumference. You want a snug fit, but not so tight that it causes discomfort. The headband should rest comfortably just above your ears, providing stability without pressure. Finally, it's time for a crucial safety check. Give your head a gentle shake to ensure the hard hat remains stable and doesn't shift excessively. The brim should ideally sit approximately 1 inch above your eyebrows, offering good visibility and protection. If you feel any discomfort or notice instability, take a moment to readjust until the fit is perfect and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.